Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming to WhatsApp status. You can now secretly tag people in your status. To use this new feature, simply create a new status and add text, photos, or videos to it, and after that, you will see a new mention symbol in the text box. Tap on the symbol and select the people you want to tag. You can only tag up to 5 people in your status. Everyone can see your status, but the people you tagged will not be visible to others. Only you can see the tag, and each person tagged can only see their own name. When you share your status, the person you tagged will get a notification and a message in their chat. After posting your status, check all the people you tagged in your status as follows.